to normal camping. We're camping out in a volcano. Anyways, let me give you the tour. Anyways, this is the main gate, aka our little Yee society, where the three of us actually live. This is my home. Yeah, well decorated, isn't it? This is Owen's house. Looks nice. Retro's. He hasn't decorated it yet. This is where we get mallows. The current day currency during this camping trip. It kind of looks like marshmallows. I kind of almost want to eat it, but I have a marshmallow of my own. Anyways. Back to what I was saying earlier. Before I interrupted myself. We are going to do something great today. We are going to do my favorite thing in the world. Alright, this is the side of my house. Yeah, it looks kind of organized. Flowers. Barbecue. Recycling. That picnic table. Yeah, Retro! We surrounded Retro. You're surrounded! Get down to the ground, Retro! Surrender the drugs, Savowski! Anyways, guys, yes, we are camping, technically. Camping. Samsung camping was cursed. I told the man, normal camping. Oh boy, did our expectations go wrong. Oh boy, were my expectations wrong. My ancestors. Anyways, if you want to see us get slapped, folded, and broken, then see our mimic video. Or Retro me, a few other people get folded. Anyways, yep. And this is the squad and our little humble symbolization. Oh, we have the ancient campfire where the guardians sit and decide your fate for the fire. Then we have the little pool, community service pool. Oh God, it's time to clean. See, we fixed it. Retro is now not an outcast to our civilization. He is welcome. As always, he should be welcome. Welcome to our civilization, Retro. Oh, check. Alright, anyways. Ah, yes, Retro left. He left our civilization. He left it to shambles. What a shame. He's actually pretty much a good soldier in this. Anyways. Yep, so this is our humble little civilization without Retro. Anyways, me and Me and the boys were just camping, and we thought, oh God, where did he come from? This man came from the sky. And he's burning in lava. Great. Absolutely perfect. And then, I was just farting on a plant, that's all. Yeah, and there goes my cactus. Yep. There we go. Yep, it's on a stone. Yep. The Elder's tent. Fate is real. I'm joking. I'm one of the elders. So it's Retro, he left. Anyways. Since... No. No. Am I truly the only one left? I found the elders. Have left to do one thing I hate most. Take him after him. And then I started to build around my own civilization. I was the only elder left. Then they slaughtered me. It was cold in the Reed civilization. Unfortunately, they had rejoined. Too late. I was going to rebuild what I had left. I rebuilt a whole civilization on my own. Chloe, why are you doing that? Ah! that was so sorts of waters. Unseen from our civilization because we live in fire. Anyways, so each time I pass through the loop, I get 5 marshmallows. Yes, each time you pass through the loop, you get 5 marshmallows. It's unseen to Fire Clan. How does Water Clan ever live with this? Especially with this way of travel. Ugh! Paddle boats? First off, we travel by fire vans. Is that why they don't last long? Say fire is probably one of the dumbest ones. No, I heard they weren't the smartest. After a great war that they've become smarter. Anyways, I built a whole civilization. I built a whole civilization. This is what it's become. Me biting the dust. It's okay. This former general was never good to waste. But seriously, who thought that the council would just break apart that easy? Yes, the strongest link in our army disconnected like a soft brick. Crumbled like a cookie. The next general to fall is Retro. Anyways, so Dave, don't even your spine. Don't even mind me now. Anyways, the great camp to what it was is now this. This humble mess of fences and items. Yeah. It's sad, isn't it? It was humble. Our glorious camp reduced in ashes. It is only me left. Retro is the great Retro is here, but he vanished like the dads that went to work. Owen, he had to leave, but then he was brutally murdered by the hotel monster. Because we stayed in a hotel and we had to escape from the monster. It caught up to us, brutally slaughtered Owen before he left. And then me. There was only me. Just me. No one else. Just me. In this lonely, dark room that is called a volcano. Yes, great hole. God will stare down upon us all. If he's staring down right now, then where am I? I had to leave home and glide. Anyways, goodbye. That is the tale of the 3 camping generals. One who went missing and 2 who left so fast to go get the milk. Anyways, yes, I did go get. Yes, that one time where Owen said that my bed kind of looked like the Sussy Among Us, and then I said I'd go leave to go get the milk. I truly didn't mean it. Don't leave me hanging out. No. I'm soaring through. Especially bread! But anyways, I went to go free, but then I was brought to the statues of the gods. They brought shame upon my name. But then I took out my royal marshmallow and returned to glory. I didn't let some god define me. This is the story of Jamie Porter, the great general. Goodbye. And I hope I see you on my next video.